but if you will learn something for 3 months, again, like after 3 months, you are going to start from there, not from the zero, right? At least you will be better from the zero. So,
But English becomes a compulsion for us. Like in I India. Have one more question to you. Uh,
mhm.
I'm throwing you a lot of questions, so you may feel that okay,
No problem.
I'm sitting
No
for
problem.
interview. Yeah. So, like I have seen such advertisements that people can, I mean, have this language within 1 month, within 3 months. You can have a fluent English. This kind of title you can see everywhere. So, how do you think about it, and do you believe in such stuff?
Yes, I do believe in this stuff that this is a marketing strategy. Okay. And this is a marketing strategy. If you are going to write that anybody is going to be fluent in 7 days, people they are going to run towards that. Oh my God, like I'm going to be fluent in 7 days. So this is a like marketing strategy. You can see in market 99 rupees. That is close to 100. But
And
why not 100? Why this is 99? Because it they are thinking that it's so cheap, but it's not. So even though like you are gonna pay 100 rupees, but if anybody is gonna write 100, that of course it is gonna look like, oh, 100, I can't afford it. So the same way, like in English speaking, if I will write in my video that you are going to be fluent in 5 years, nobody is gonna watch that video. Like, so you will have to write that you will have to become fluent in 5 days, like that.
oh my
So,
God.
but I do believe in efforts. It is all about efforts. If you are able to put, I will there was a one single month in my life that was November 2020. In that single month, I have practiced for 221 hours. Okay, 7 hours per day on an average. So it is all about efforts. If you are able to put efforts within a single month, you can see yourself becoming fluent and good to express. But this is a journey. Nobody can be perfect. I do believe in this is a language, and you will have to explore for years and years. It is going to take a lot of time. So I think I don't believe really in those things. But as I told you, these are the part of the marketing. That's it. And after that, the people they can find it out what is happening in the video. They will write this title, and after that in the video they will tell nobody can be fluent in 7 days in the last.
That's why I'm asking this
That's the
question.
reality of the
I'm
videos.
asking this question from the behalf of the learners. I mean, you may feel
Mhm,
that you can sense the excitement that people come for
mhm,
with the expectation that I'm going to become a fluent within 3 months or within 1 month. But after spending 3 months, if they will be not able to see that skill,
mhm.
that they may demotivate, and then they left forever to learn this language.
Yeah.
It may happen. So that's why I brought this question to you. And I know this is the market strategy, but generally, is it I think it is incorrect. I mean, nobody can have this. So within 3 months, if a person has started from scratch, I'm not talking about the person whose school is who is schooling is English medium, right? I mean, there are many.
Mhm, mhm.
So for that, I have asked this question from learners' behalf. So I guess
Yeah,
we both are on the same
I
page in this way.
Yeah, I'll tell you a funny thing. Like when I was a child, my parents like used to say that, just pass your 10th like with the good marks, then you are going to get the good career. Okay, I have done that. After that, they said just, pass the 12th like +2 with a good marks, you are going to get a good job, good career. I said, okay.
Okay, you are on mute. Please unmute yourself. I cannot hear you. You are on mute. You are on mute. Please correct.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Now I can hear you. Yes,
Sorry, I
it's
can't
okay.
hear you well.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me, Ashutosh?
Yes, 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 I can hear you now.
You were on mute actually. So yeah, now it's okay. Yes, please continue.
Yeah, so I was telling that, Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry. So the thing is that I was telling about the childhood. So the parents they used to say to me always, like, if you will pass your 10th class with a good marks, it is going to be really good for you and you are going to get the good career. I have done that. After that, plus two, I have done that as well. But there was no job, no career, nothing like that. After that, they said like if you will do your graduation with a good marks, you will be able to pursue a good career. I have done that as well, but that is nothing, like nothing is there. We are not having jobs in our country, like unemployment is everywhere. So like the same like that, they will say like you're going to be fluent in 3 months, but after 3 months again you will see that the same like 10th and 12th and graduation.
Okay, so it's again individuals' attitude, how people take things and see things. But yeah,
Yeah,
please,
but if you will learn something for 3 months, again, like after 3 months, you are going to start from there, not from the zero, right? At least you will be better from the like, zero. So,
but English becomes a compulsion for us. Like in India, everywhere you can see English.
mhm,
So people have limited time. I mean, they don't spend too much time in their childhood or in their schooling days or in their college days.
mhm.
When it comes to have job or career, then only they think about English, and then they have limited time to in order to improve their English. So that's why they are
Yeah, they would like to
having
become an American within 2 months.
yes. So
Okay.
it demands lots
Yeah.
of patience as well. Uh,
Uh-huh.
so as I have confronted so many people and they keep asking me that, okay, how many months it takes to become a fluent speaker or like this. So even sometimes I felt such things that, oh my God, I have been putting a lot of efforts. I'm not getting that result. It happened to me as well. I lost
Mhm.
my patience. So it requires a lot of patience, I guess, in order to learn any language, not only English. Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It is all about the journey. As I told you that this is not like that a destination you have decided within 6 months you are going to be an American. After 6 months you are going to be a British, and after the 6 months you are going to be a Aussie, and after
Okay.
6 months you are going to be Kiwi. That's not the like that. So I, even though I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel few days before, 5 to 6 days before, the question asked by learners, how long does it take to become fluent? And even though I'm still confused, how long does it take? I'm not sure.
Still, I'm working upon, I guess. Your answer would
Yeah.
be like this. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
All right, Ashutosh. I want you to highlight few things about your as a tutor. How is your experience and some few points that you may explain so that we can have some help from you.
Yeah, exactly. Being a tutor, of course, it's a really fantastic experience because, as you know, that teaching and training is already like always a noble profession, helping others and just you are contributing them to become better in their life. So it has been 2 years, and it was COVID, so I was feeling bored, and I started doing it directly, interacting with the people, helping them, or just correcting them. So it's been always fantastic. And as I told you in the beginning, it depends, like when you are teaching someone or when you are training someone, you are preparing for that, and you are trying to become self confidence is the one of the most important thing while you are teaching or training others, because if you are not confident, how you can give confidence to others?
Yes,
So
right.
I developed a lot of confidence by training others, and it is really fantastic. Even though I'm continuing that, it is going to give me a lot more confidence to just go on bigger stages, because when I will be able to help them, I will get a lot more confidence. I will be able to improve myself, because what is happening sometimes I'm not aware about those questions, and the like learners will come with this questions, that kind of questions, and after that I'll have to find out answers from the books, from the videos, and then I'm trying to make them understand. That is the part which is making me better always. So it's been really fantastic. Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. So if I ask you, being a tutor, what are the 3 points that are very important to become a tutor or to become a trainer in this
The
language?
first thing is that self confidence. Okay. Second thing is that your punctuality. Okay. And the third thing I must say, that is called the sincerity, being a tutor.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, one last question. This is a bit different
Uh-huh.
from our conversation. So you have
Mm-hmm.
written in WhatsApp that you have been following
Mm-hmm.
me for so long. So I just want to know
Yes.
what is the reason that you are very good speaker, I must say. I have to say here that you have acquired this language in beautiful manner and but you have written in such manner, so I would like to know a bit more about this.
Yeah, of course. It has been like, 2 years, I think, when there was the COVID-19, that like, whenever I used to watch videos on YouTube, like your videos were there. And you have taken a lot more sessions with the people with the tutors from Clappingo. And as you know, that Clappingo is quite popular on YouTube now. So I used to get a lot of videos of yours. And even though I have seen, whenever I'm just, opening your channel, there is like video with a Jangadman or something like a nationality. I like that a lot, even though it is an English channel, but there was Hindi culture and stuff like that. So I was really like impressed. And so I started following and I started watching you. The several like, videos were there with the Divyam Jain, and he was a quite like, famous tutor on Clappingo. I don't know where is he right now, like, where is he?
He's on Mangal, I guess.
Yeah, so after that I started watching a lot of videos of yours, and I have seen your journey. You were growing up and you have done a lot of more, and now you have started a new channel, like, something like, what's that, just
Oh
K,
my
or like,
God,
I'm not.
you have
Yes, I
seen
have
that
just.
as well?
Yes,
Yes,
I have
yes.
seen that, the video of like, just throwing like, just stones on the tumblers like that.
Oh
So
my
I have
God.
seen.
So how was it?
So
Yeah, Megha ke
yeah, it was
chaske.
fantastic. And yeah, Mega Kitchus. And it was nice because it is the good thing when you're able to grow your first channel. After that, you can go, because the people, they're interested to watch your personal things as well. They want to know that this is your professional life, but they would like to know about your personal life as well. They would like to, sometimes the people, they are confused. They are thinking, oh, Mega Ma'am is so serious. That's why she is able to do lot of improvement. But if you will make this kind of vlog channel, they will understand, oh no, they are also enjoying in their life, and apart from this, when they are doing work, like, that they are quite sincere. So that is the thing, it is really good. So I have seen some videos, few videos are there on that channel as well, and
Thank
it's
you
very
so
nice.
much, Ashutosh, for watching. I don't think so. And still you are saying this, but I cannot believe that you have watched my videos. Even when I uploaded, I was laughing a lot, and I was thinking, oh my God, I'm doing some craziest thing, and I have uploaded this. But
Yeah, but I have seen, and that was very nice. I have just watched that video carefully, and anybody was there who was saying like, Mega, you will not be able to do it. You will not be able to do it. Like they, like, I was thinking that Nell's ears are there, but you will have to believe in yourself, right?
yeah, that's it. I mean, you are the one who can get some positive, note from anywhere. I mean, this is your individual personality, and that is good. I mean, we always try to improve ourselves, and introspection
Mm-hmm.
is very important in order to do that. I mean, you are a tutor and you are teaching, you are learning as well. So there are lots of things to discuss and talk. I guess you have a bit interest in spirituality as well, if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Spirituality.
singing, photography,
Oh my
like
God.
I do explore a lot of stuff. Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, Ashutosh, but now we are, I think, running out of time, so we need to end the session for now. But it is wonderful talking to you, and I enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much joining the session, and I hope that we will meet again and we will have some more discussion on different topics.
Yes, exactly. Why not? And thank you so much, and many, many thanks to you. Of course, I must say thank you so much to the like, viewers and watchers who are listening to us and watching to us. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Mega Man, for inviting me. Thank you.
Bye bye, Ashutosh. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah, you too, you too.